Hello and welcome to my channel Clueless to Flawless, and today I would like to talk about something which many people have asked me about, and that is the difference between accepting and quitting. If you accept the current situation, does that mean, are you equating it to quitting? For example, if I am overweight by a few kilograms, like let's say 5 to 6 kilograms, and I look at myself every day in the mirror and I'm not happy with what I see. So does that mean that if I accept that I'm overweight, would that mean that I will not be able to lose any weight? It's actually the opposite. Let me explain to you why. When we accept a certain situation, the signal that we send to the universe is that we've already accepted the certain situation, and then there is no struggle in that situation. When we do not accept the situation, for example, if I look at myself every day in the mirror and I'm not happy about it, I'm not a happy person. I don't like the way I look, I don't like the way I feel, and hence I do not have a good day, and that happens on a regular basis. There is an internal struggle going on here that Asma is not happy with her current weight. So this is not helping the situation in any way. It does not help me move to the next level, which is doing something about this weight gain and moving towards my goal of weight loss. So once I accept that I am overweight, now I have accepted that I'm overweight. Now the next step that I would like to take is that I would like to do something about it. Either I eat healthier, or I sign up for a gym class, or I sign up for any other class. That's up to me. But I have made the first step, which is acceptance. And accepting it does not mean that I am quitting the whole situation. I am not quitting my efforts in losing the weight. All I'm doing is accepting it, removing the resistance which it creates by not accepting the fact that I'm overweight. And now I'm ready to move to the next level. So once we learn to accept the situation as it is, then we are ready to do something about it. But if we cannot even accept what the situation is, then we are not able to do anything about it either. So it is very, very important that we learn to accept. And acceptance is 100% necessary in making that change and taking that step towards your goal. I can give you another example. When I was a full-time stay-at-home mom, I was not happy with the situation. The reason I was not happy with the situation is because every day I'd wake up and I'd say, I don't have a career, I don't have a job, I'm a full-time stay-at-home mom, and I'm not happy with that. Every day I would wake up and it was like a vicious cycle that I'm waking up unhappy because I don't have a job to go to, and I'm not motivated to do anything with my life. But what I had not learned to accept is that I am a housewife and I'm a stay-at-home mom. I need to first be able to accept that part of my life if I want to move forward. So when I accepted that I'm a full-time stay-at-home mom and I will learn how to cook and I will do what it takes to become the best stay-at-home mom there can be, that's when things started to change in my life. The reason for that is that when I accepted that I'm a full-time mom, I eliminated the resistance that was there, the struggle that was there in my mind, the internal struggle that was there being a full-time stay-at-home mom. I'd already accepted that I'm a mom. That's what I do. And I love being at home. I love my family and I love cooking for them. I love doing the school runs. Everything about being a stay-at-home mom had to be accepted. And once I accepted that, it changed everything for me. I was presented with so many different opportunities within the span of a few months, you can say. As soon as I decided that this is what I'm going to do, I was presented with so many opportunities because I had actually eliminated that struggle, the internal struggle that existed within me. And when you eliminate the struggle, you're eliminating the resistance, which helps you move towards your goal as opposed to away from your goal. When we don't accept a certain situation, we are more likely to stay within the situation. It's very simple because you're looking inwards. You're not healing your inner conflict. I am unhappy as a stay-at-home mom. I don't like the fact that I don't have a job, and I don't like the fact that I have to cook every day. But where am I concentrating on what can I do to change this situation? How can I find myself a job? What can I do to feel more worthy? Because I'm only concentrating on one thing, and that is I don't have a career. I don't have a job. I'm not happy. You see the difference? There's so much resistance there that it keeps you in the same situation for a very long time. And the main thing that you have to learn to do is accept that situation. Accepting that situation does not mean that it does not equate to quitting on your ultimate goal. That is a necessary, very necessary thing that is needed actually for you to move towards your goal. So eliminating the resistance is the most important aspect, and that is the main difference between accepting and quitting at a certain situation. So if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel.